Good afternoon, y'all. It's September 7th at 12:38 exactly in the afternoon. This video is going to be a little bit different than what you normally expect from us, whether it's, traveling to Moldova or going to Monterey Bay Aquarium, Idaho, Fort Bragg. We do a little bit of traveling, a little bit of food. It's kind of what we do. We're just filming our life. We don't really have a theme or hook or plug or whatever. Probably why we're not growing as fast as most on YouTube. But today I want to talk about gear. So let's talk about gear. As somebody who has searched far and wide and has bought a lot, and Anna Maria's opinion, wasted a lot of money on gear, this right here, the DP100 IRL kit from Gikoto, is honestly probably one of the best bang for buck setups I've come across for content creators of all kinds. Now, Gikoto markets this as an IRL kit, basically a mobile rig for dual phone streaming. But here's the thing, because of this block right here, this milled aluminum block, it's not limited to just two phones. You can swap in a mirrorless camera, an action camera, or even a light or microphone. I have my light right here, actually, and let me show you how, with ease, it actually will power this light. 60 watts, 100% brightness, with ease. I just turned the grip on. The grip is 3 out of 4 power, by the way. It's got 4 lights across. The light's turning on, and it is on. And this is 100% brightness. On the screen, it is showing that it is receiving 100 watts of power, telling me it can go all the way to 100, right? We just saw 100, so that's off. That's 1%. We're just going to climb all the way back up to 100. That's 100. Powers it with ease. So like I said, regardless of what it is you want to throw on here, it can handle it. I'll actually throw up either to the side or above me how long this grip can run a 60 watt LED light like that, just so you can kind of get an understanding. So the versatility, it's wild. Basically, it's kind of like a portable mini handheld studio that can scale with your needs. So if you're an aspiring content creator, whether you're filming, live streaming, doing interviews, TikToks, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is that you're making content for, this kit gives you a solid foundation without spending a fortune, which I've spent a fortune in the past. You don't have to buy separate stands, grips, mounts, battery packs, so on and so forth. It's all right here in one tidy, durable little package. Often when we travel to Moldova, vlogging and all that kind of stuff is not very common there. So you get some side eyes, you get these looks, and people are watching you from a distance, or sometimes, in my case, you might almost get beat up. I had a guy approach me aggressively with like a fighting stance, and he thought I was vlogging him and making fun of him because, unfortunately, I don't know why people do this, Moldova is the butt of the joke for a lot of things. So he thought I was another foreigner filming locals and making fun of them on the internet. I would never do that. I love Moldova. It is my second home. ADHD. So where I was going with what I was just talking about almost getting beat up in Moldova, is it's often nice to have small, discrete setups, as well as how I purposely look for smaller, discrete setups. Like, even if I did have a proper camera, a mirrorless of some sort, I probably wouldn't be filming with it, like vlogging with it in the streets of Moldova. I'd be using a Pocket 3 or something like that, paired with the BH100 grip for all-day power, versus vlogging with like a full-size mirrorless, just because I like to blend in with my environment as much as I can. I also find that you capture more true to life moments that way. People aren't acting different because they see a big camera or whatever. That's where I was going with that. Then my ADHD kicked in, and then I was trying to fight my ADHD and be like, no, let's get back on topic, and didn't finish the thought I was talking about. Anyways, back to the rest of the video. Some of the things I love the most about this is the block that makes it just so versatile, and this quick release. By far the quick release. We almost filmed the whole thing without a car driving by. Anyways, by far, one of my favorite things is this quick release magnetic plate. As soon as they're available independently without getting it in the kit, because you can't buy these right now, you can only get it through the kit, I'm buying a couple more of them. I absolutely love it. I don't know what else to talk about on this. So, I know what you're thinking, and you're wrong. This is not sponsored. Geekodo didn't send this to me for free. I'm not being paid at all to say anything nice. I bought this because I needed something that could handle my setup, and after using it, I honestly think it's one of the smartest buys out there for content creators on a budget. So, if you're just getting into content creation, or even if you've been in it for a while, but you want something compact and reliable, the DP100 kit is worth checking out. It's simple, it's flexible, it doesn't break the bank, and I mean, it's everything you need right in the palm of your hands. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can save 10% at checkout if you decide to get this. If you use Roxus10, like I said, I'm not sponsored, I'm not affiliated. One of my friends though, he does have his code, RoxusRoams, so use Roxus10, you get 10% off. He gets something in return, I'm sure, or it might help him get to a point where he can get something in return. And then go over to his page, RoxusRoams, let him know that Zach and Anna sent you. Love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Roxus will be linked down below. The page for this will be linked down below. I'll make everything one click, super easy for you guys. Love y'all, I appreciate y'all. I look forward to using this to film content in Moldova, along with some other places we want to visit this year. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, y'all. Oh, I didn't even get into the backpack I got from them. I love this too, but that'll be a different video. Maybe.